So let's get right to it. We need to know how to bling your blog to attract and engage. It's so important, right, Ryan, that we get into this question of why it even matters.
Yes, Sue-Ann, why you need to bling your blog.
And feed that hog.
The rewards are many if you want to
Attract people to your business.
drive traffic to your website,
Create brand awareness.
build credibility and authority,
Gain visibility in your market.
showcase your uniqueness,
Oh, yeah. Stand out.
and engage people.
That's what I'm talking about, Ryan. It's easy as pie, right?
Not so fast, Sue-Ann.
Because one man's bling,
Is another man's junk.
haha, you need to connect bot.
Tough love first, guys. Not everybody is your audience.
Hone in on your unique audience.
Your committed audience.
Who wants to hear from you?
How? By creating content that connects
With the heart.
with the brain.
I figured you'd be the dude meditating, just saying. Emotion is pouring.
Relationships forming.
By making your blog a resource-rich content hub. But how?
It's okay if you're a beginner, guys.
Just jump in. You can do it.
Even the technology isn't that hard.
There's a tool for you, or you can use the ones we're going to share.
Build your content hub.
And business, ding, 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 with your blog.
Own your real estate. You need a business website.
Definitely. Tell your story.
Make it sing.
Offer a valuable content journey. Make the experience a good one.
Visit visuals to define a view.
Stretch your content muscles.
So you're not the same as everyone else.
And you don't blend in like that polar bear.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, experiment.
Learn to love to read and write.
That's for sure. To express your business perspective.
With content that's uniquely you.
I have some socks like that.
Me too.
Now you know why you need to bling your blog.
And feed that hog to
Grow your sales and business. Yay!
Hey guys, if
So
your
you see
blog
why
feels like
this
a
is
hog
so
and not
important.
the shiny content hub you need, then this new course is for you. Yes, let me know when it opens. Come on, guys, sign up.
Thanks, Ryan.